Hi, I'm Shandy Foster, and I'll be going over effective lesson planning and design. Clear, complete, specific objectives, and objectives that align with Common Core state standards, as well as assessment tasks that measure learning through meaningful real-life situations and planned activities that engage students to achieve desired outcomes are all important elements of effective lesson design. Developing good objectives are very important as they align with the state standard for learning and help students learn deeper understandings of concepts. Using clear, specific objectives that are measurable also aid in evaluating your students' level of learning through formative and summative assessments. This is an example of a good learning objective. It's clear, complete, and specific, aligns with the Common Core state standard, and is vital for planning an effective geometry lesson for a kindergartner. To avoid these common pitfalls in effective lesson planning and design, you should begin your lessons with the end goal in mind. Plan clear learning objectives that align with state standards, integrating assessments and student experiences in the planning process. Backward design, also known as backward mapping, is a curriculum design method consisting of setting learning goals based on state standards, determining appropriate assessments, and developing learning activities and instructional methods that engage students and provide deeper knowledge of learning objectives. Common Core state standards provide schools with the content of their curriculum. That is to say, they indicate what students should know and what they should be able to do. The learning standards serve as guidelines for educators to base their learning objectives upon. Assessments drive the work of backwards design models and is used to judge whether or not to review the same topic again for successful understanding, or to move on to the next topic. In contrast, the traditional model has teachers assess the students' learning at the end of the lesson before moving on to a new topic. This backwards design is for kindergarten geometry math activities. The student should be able to identify 4 basic geometric shapes and understanding the meaning of positional words. Students should be able to identify 4 geometric shapes by sorting shapes into cups, using tangram shapes and paper shapes, as well as identifying shapes around the room. They should also be able to act out correct positional words, using tangrams and paper shapes with glue. These are the 4 activities we will use for the geometry lesson. Thank you for watching.